This here is the Maxton Design rear side splitters that I have just installed onto my B7 RS4. And in this video, I will be showing you guys how I installed it onto my RS4. If you guys also want a set of this, I'll put the link down below in the description. Now, let's just jump right into it. So here are the Maxton Design rear side splitters. The set came with both the left and right side splitters, installation hardware, and a general installation manual. Then here I have the tools that I'll be using to install the side splitters. I have some masking tape that I'm going to use to mock up the side splitters. I have a 10mm wrench, 3/8" drive ratchet, extension, and a 4mm Allen bit socket for the hardware when it comes to installing. I have just a red marker here to mark my holes that I'm going to drill. And then I have a cordless drill here with a 1/4" drill bit to drill the holes for the hardware. Now, let's go ahead and get these guys installed. I went ahead and got the passenger side installed to show you guys what it looks like. This is how it is. Nice. Nice. Give it a nice little flare in the rear there. And then on the driver's side with it not installed. And showing you both sides. Now, let's go ahead and let me show you guys how I did it on the driver's side. First thing I'll be doing is mocking up the side splitters with this masking tape. Now I'm going to use the red marker to mark 4 drilling points on the side splitter as evenly throughout the side splitter as best as possible. Now we can start drilling our holes after marking the drill points. Alright, now we're almost ready for install. We just gotta remove the protective film and then install it. Real quick, if you guys are finding this video helpful so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to help support my channel and to stay updated on videos like this that could possibly help you guys out on future installs. Now, let's get back to the install. Wipe the area down. And now we can install it. right, installation is complete. Nice, nice. Now let me drop down the car and show you what it looks like on the ground. And here it is, installed and on the ground. Let's take a look at it from the rear with both sides installed. Nice. Gives it a little flare for the rear end. And now it completes the full Maxton lip kit for the B7 RS4, which includes the rear side splitters, the side skirts there, and of course the front lip up there. So let me know what you guys think about these rear side splitters in the comments down below. If you guys have any further questions about the install, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. If you guys missed the install video of the Maxton Design side skirts, check it out here and subscribe to my channel here. Thanks guys.